So we're going to talk about chain punches. Now if you're familiar with the film Ip Man, then you know what chain punches are. Now chain punches they're not powerful, they're not meant to knock somebody out, but they're meant to catch your opponent off guard. So basically speeding loads of punches at them, they're going to be trying to dodge these punches and everything like that. Then you can go and land in a power shot or something. You can also mix it up as well. You see many martial arts films that they do the chain punches and they mix like an elbow in there and keep doing it, and then a knee or something like that. So the misconception is chain punches, people think it goes in a circular motion when it doesn't. Like, because if we're landing in a circular motion, we're not getting a lot of power. Even if we did it fast, we'd just be swiping down someone's face, and that's not what we want to do. So you're going straight, so straight, yeah. And also you don't want to put too much power in it because you don't want to lose all that momentum. You don't want to. It's not a power shot. You don't need to go, because look, if I did that, then this is going to be not good. Watch. So it's not very efficient. So we want to do it fast, light and fast. So we go. Get that spider off there. Okay, so speed, do, and loosen up. You don't want to have full clenched fist either. Loosen up. Dish, bang. Yeah. Let's try again. Go. Yeah, similar to that. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Let me know any feedback in the comment section below. Let me know any tips or strategies you would like me to do in my next video. Yeah, anyway, that is me. That is done.